You are welcome. Step 4, how to learn how to use ArchiCAD 25. That's what we're using. So we have set the wall, we have set the dimension, set some tests and other things. So let's go to the wall. You go to design, you click on design, you go to architectural tool, and you select your wall. So this is your wall. We have set the wall. You click here, you set the wall. You set the outer wall. These some things, hold the model, and make sure when you are starting your before you start your drawing, you check the current level of your wall. The current level of your wall, which is the DPC. We are going through the DPC level, and also you check the link. So say let it be linked to the first floor, to the ground floor, and the size of your wall should be 600. So we have gotten this for this wall. We have gotten it, and you say okay. Then so you go to your wall, you click this, and you draw your wall. You draw your wall. This is the outer wall. You draw another wall. So you go to your elevation. You want to go to your elevation to see this wall, how it looks like. So let's go to any of the elevation. Okay, let's go to this. You escape, then you tap to this, you click on this elevation and say open. Elevation setting. Say open with current setting. So you have opened your elevation. Look at your elevation. So I think it is more than the escape. You click to the wall. It's more than the ground floor. So you look at it. You go to your wall. Look on your wall. Now you see the PC level to the ground floor. Not link. Let's go here. Not link. And you go to 600. 600. And you see it. So you do not link it to any level. So you have gotten it. This is the wall. So you go to this. You go back to your and get this and see what you escape. You click here and you open. Same thing with this. So you escape and you highlight. You highlight this and you go to your wall. You go to wall setting. You go to not length and you bring it to 600. And you say okay. So you have done this. So you go to your DC. So this is it. So you click another wall. You get this wall. You say copy, move, and you say drag. You say drag a copy. Drag a copy. You drag a copy. You hold your arrow key and shift. Say copy. The 3000. So you hold your arrow key and press D. So the wall will be straight. It will not, it will not corner, you know. It will be so straight, and the D means the distance from this wall to this wall. So what you do now is you have gotten this, but this is an internal wall. As it is an internal wall, you just click to it and go to this, go to this. Now you can now change this to 150, 150, 150. Then you go to your model. You change all this, all this. You change this to white. Let's change it to white. White. You change this. Change it to white too. It's okay. So let's go to dimension and see what we got in our dimension. We go to dimension. You can see that he did not really give us the 3000. So what we will do is so what we will do is you click on this, place it to outer surface, inner surface. No, outer surface. Outer surface. When you place it to outer surface, you now drag. D. Then you place 1, 1, 1. You can see it. You have gotten it. So what we do is, we have gotten this 3,000 for this wall. Then let's say we want to get another 3,000 from this wall. What we do is, you click here and you go here. You click it. Inner surface, no? Say drag. Then as it is, you want to get another 3,000, you say drag. You drag this. You drag this. You press your arrow key, so it will be straight. Then you press your D. Then you press 3,150. No? 3,150. Why you are pressing 3,150? Right. So if you want to get another 3,000, you just go here and you say drag a copy. You are now dragging a copy. Then you move it. You see, hold your arrow key and move it. You want to get another 3,000, so you say 1, 3,000, 3,150. Why you are putting that 3,150? Because this block is 150, and you know it's going to take another outer layer. So you just press OK. Then you have gotten another 3,000. Let's check it and see if it is 3,000. If the measurement is 3,000. So we go to our measurement, which is in documents. So let's go here and go here and see what we have gotten. Say okay. This is exactly 3,000. So this is how you will continue. If you want to have 2,000 here, you also include the wall size. And if you are using the outer layer and you want to get it, you also use the outer wall. So let's go here. So we delete this. We delete this. If you want to delete this, you just click on it and right click, and you bring it to this box. Then you scroll down and see this delete. You delete. You want to delete this, whatever you want to delete, this is how you do it. Just you click on it. Delete and delete. And delete. So let's get another, let's say 120. Hello? I did. What you that? Okay, sorry, a call came on my phone and I stopped our last video. I'm back again. So let's continue. As we continue to set up our wall, you can see we are just trying to put up a plan. We don't have a plan at hand, but let's try and put up a 2 bedroom, or let me say, put up a 3 bedroom duplex. Yeah, so let's continue. We'll be making some mistakes and we'll correct it. It's going to take time to set up a plan. To put up a plan is always difficult to set it up. So as we continue, so this is our 150 wall. I've shown you how to add your walls, how to drag, copy, and put it to the normal measurement you want it to be. So let's go this way, or should I look okay? Let's put up a 2 bedroom, no matter how it is. Okay, so okay, so let's move this. Let's move this. You click on it and let's say remove. You drag. You drag. So to fix. So let's move this. Remove it. You copy. You drag one copy. So we change this to. We change this. So let's settle. You have opened up your settings, so we don't change. Yeah, you change it. You have done it before, so it's nothing new. You know what I'm doing here. So okay. So you have changed it to 150. Now it's now time to measure and give it a size, dimension. 1 8 plus 150. Okay, 1 2 plus 150. That is 3. Okay. You move it. You drag it to this place and drag it again. You put your distance. D 1 350. This minus 350 minus 1350. This minus 1350. You calculate it. You 1983 minus 1350. 63 euro. You drag it. Make sure it's right on you. 663. Okay. So it's 320 now. We want it to be 200. So we'll make it 150, 170, 170. You drag this. One 70. Drag it a little. So we are cutting this. As we are just, we are not going. I'm not going to take my time to be perfect, you know. So you have seen it. So, but so you go here. If you want to remove, maybe you want this measurement that you are supposed to be holding here. You take this. You just drag this. Drag it to here. Or sometimes, let's take it. Okay. No. Drag. Yeah, sometimes when you want to cut this, you want to cut it. You don't want to drag it. You want to cut it. You just click here. If you click here and you highlight, and you go to cut and you go here. No. You highlight and go to cut. You just click on cut. Okay? Since this one is different, cut, copy, paste. No. Okay. Okay. You just click on your control and you just cut it. You can see. When you click on your control, instead of dragging, you just click on your control and it will show you that sign of cut. Then you just go to where you want to cut it and press your left key of your mouse and it will just cut. That is how we got this, or you drag. So you can also press your control and come here too and cut this if you just cut it off. So that is how it is done. What else are we going to teach you? We are saying most of the command when you just click on, when you right click, you see your command copy, paste, and the rest. You see it here. So that's it. So let's continue. Um, let's go to this. We copy this. We copy and drag this again to make it 3,000. Make it 3,000. Change the property 150. 150. Model. Go to document to measure to decide is what you want. To measure it. Yeah, so what we want is 3,000. 150. You say this 3,000 minus 2,807 193. So you highlight this. You highlight this, drag it. The 193 plus. Okay, we know we are not going to get exactly, but it should be 193 plus 75 plus 75 plus 268. Let's make it 268. Okay, so it's over. So you take it off, you drag it again. The 75. So you have gotten your 3,000. So let's assume you have gotten this row here. Let's get another toilet here. So you go here and you drag this. The 1 to 100. No. You drag and copy. The 1 to 100. You delete this. So you go here, you measure this. So you have to take this, you have to add 100 to this drive. You drag it again to 150, 100. You drag it again to 50. You drag it to 50. Drag. 50. So we have gotten this. So we are going to take this as our toilet. So you get another 300. Copy and drag. Another 3,000. So 1, 2, 2. So let's measure it and see what we have. Okay. Yeah, so I've gotten this. So what we do is change this to the property to the property 235. And you come here. So okay, you have to shift this. Minus. That's 7. So you cut this. You know what it means and how you cut it. anytime you take a command, if you want to remove the command, you go to escape, and before you go to another command, you must escape the other command. So I want to delete this. You click on it and delete. So you go back here and you delete these two. So you are taking this, you highlight this, you are getting 1000 from this, you copy. One thousand. $150. So I think 150. Right. 150. 150. So you get 1000 here. So you check this and you delete it. Oh no. You delete this. You delete this. So this is it. So what to do is to cut this. You know how to cut it already. So we are getting our dining here. We want to get our dining here and our kitchen. We cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this. We change this to change the properties. 325, 25. We go here, model. Okay. So what we do is we escape from this command. Let's get the dining to be 24. 24. So you get this. Copy. So you make it 24, 24 plus 150. It's 25. 1/8. Let's do 1/8. 1950. I think that's your dining. This is your dining. So we are going to have an opening here. We're going to make an opening here. Time. So we'll leave this, and this will look like our kitchen. Here we can, the door will come here. So this our sit out. I think this sit out is too big. So let's take it up a little. You say you drag it. You drag it. 200. 200. So why you normally get, sometimes you will see when you click here, no, when you click here and you see this line is at the center of your block, and you click this one, you see that the line is at the A from the beginning. These are the reason why you normally get, sometimes when you click it like this and you see it like this, if you want to maybe measure and copy, if you want to dimension to get exactly the measurement of the room, you have to add the size of this block to your measurement before you drag and, but with this center you don't have to do that. You just click exactly what it is. So if you want it to always come like this, you just have to go here and set it. You can see we have center, this and this, but we didn't click any of this. So you can always click center. If you come here and you still want to get your center, you can come here and click center. You can see that then when you measure from here to this place, you just have to click exactly your measurement. You can see it. So this also carried the other side, then you just click center. This is on center, this on center, this on center, this on center too. This is, you click center. Let's click center. So let's click center too on this. So let's see. So we have gotten the sit out here, and also our dining. Then this is our kitchen. So let's measure the kitchen and see what we get, what the kitchen is all about. So we just go here and we click on this and this. You right click and you get your measurement. You see, you don't like this measurement. This measurement should be up to 1/8. 1/8 is okay. So let's go. We drag this. You escape and you click to it. So you have to increase this. let's drag it. So you drag this. Let's put up more 900. So to 180 minus 1030. 787. 787. Okay. So with this, we have gotten this kitchen to be 180. So what we do, as it is like this, what you do is when you click this, you hold your arrow key and click this. Then you come here and join it together. You can see. You, you click this, you hold your arrow key so you can select this again. You click it and you come here. You can see it. So when you want it to if you want this line, this word to join with this, you just click this and come here, click here and go here and click on this. No. Okay. You just simply go here, click on this, go here. You can see it. So what you do is, if you want these two to join, you just simply click on it, click your arrow key, double click so you can highlight the two. Then you go here, you click here, come here, and just click here, the two will join. You can see it. So this is adjust, this is intersect. So that's it. This is how ArchiCAD is. So easy and simple. So you want to cut this. You simply hold your arrow key to cut off this. The kitchen is free. And this is the dining, this is the sitting, this is the sit out. And what else do we do? We cut this. 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 We take this and delete it. So let's assume we are going to have something like a sit-out here. A sit-out here. And what we do is we drag this. We copy and drag this. We put it here. Before you do your measurement to change, let's change the property. $150. So you cut this. So you check the measurement of this, so you can now know your measurements. 900, you want to make it 1002. So you say 900, 1000 minus 1000 minus 980, 82. So what you do is you click here, you escape, you click here and you drag it. You drag it. 82. You check it. So you have gotten your 1000. You can see it. So what you do is to delete this. Delete this. Delete this. So we have gotten this. So this is how to set up. The next we are going to do is how to fix our doors and windows. So thank you for watching, and I hope you understood what we did today. Meet you in the next lesson. Thank you so much.